Join Ephlux, Oracle and Plano Synergy as we speak with JD Edwards mobility innovation leaders about using the power and simplicity of Swift no-code app automation with JD Edwards Orchestrator and Release 22. To automate, mobilize and transform your business. Eliminate manual tasks, improve customer experience and agility, and take advantage of the combination of this amazing digital toolset. We'll be joined by Ali Nassim, CEO Ephlux, Irvin Rhodes Product Manager at Oracle for JD Edwards Mobility, and James Horvath, Senior Director IT at Plano Synergy. Here are the key learning objectives for the webinar. Irvin from Oracle will provide an overview of JDE Release 22 with focus on mobility. Ali will show us how business analysts can create a mobile, scanner, and web app using Swift no-code platform integrated with JD Edwards. We will then speak with James at Plano Synergy how they use Swift for their JDE mobile apps such as PO approval and more. Finally, we will get you started with this game-changing technology through our Swift Start program. Go ahead, register now, to reserve your spot for this webinar on December 14th, Tuesday at 12 noon U.S. Central Time. Would love to see you there.